If you're rethinking of starting a business, or you have an idea that you want to bring to life, you may be wondering how to get funding for it. There are some great options out there, such as SBA loans, but they can take a long time to get approved and even longer to get funded. So what if I told you there were alternative financing options that could get you funded in as little as 24 hours? Keep watching, because I'm going to share 3 different ways you can get funded fast. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'm the host. Every week, we go over strategies and tips to help you become financially free. Let's dive into today's video. No. 1. Alternative financing and much. This is a broad category, but it includes peer-to-peer lending, credit unions, and small loan hacks like the $750 loan from MoneyLion. This type of funding is great for those who don't qualify for traditional bank loans, which is most freelancers, gig workers, and small business owners. The best part about alternative financing is that it's fast. Depending on the lender, you can get funded in as little as 24 hours. This is perfect for those who need money quickly to get their business off the ground or to cover unexpected expenses. Another great thing about alternative financing is that it's usually very affordable. Lenders understand that small businesses and individuals often have cash flow issues, so they work with you to create a repayment plan that fits your budget. Finally, alternative financing and microloans are very flexible. Lenders know that every business is different and will tailor the loan to fit your specific needs. For example, some lenders offer same-day funding for those who need it most, while others offer weekly or monthly installment plans, giving you more control over when you repay the loan. Number 2, business credit cards. Getting a business credit card is another great way to get funding fast for your business. With a business credit card, you can make large purchases, hire employees, or cover operating expenses. The best part about business credit cards is that they're relatively easy to get approved for, even if you have bad credit. There are many different types of business credit cards available, so you can choose one that fits your needs. For example, some cards offer 0% interest for the first year, while others offer rewards programs that can earn you points or cash back. In addition, business credit cards can help you build your business credit, which is important if you plan on getting a loan in the future. To get approved for a business credit card, you'll need to have a good credit score, a solid business plan, and enough revenue to repay the debt. Once you're approved, you'll receive a card that you can use to make purchases. Just be sure to pay your bills on time each month to avoid interest charges. 3. Invoice factoring. Invoice factoring is a quick and easy way for businesses to get funding based on their outstanding invoices. With invoice factoring, you can get paid for your invoices up front, even if your customers haven't paid yet. This can help you cover operating expenses, payroll, or other financial needs. The best part about invoice factoring is that it's very fast. You can get funded in as little as 24 hours. In addition, invoice factoring is very flexible. You can factor your invoices with different companies to find the best rates and terms. Plus, you're not required to factor all of your invoices, so you can choose which ones to factor and which ones to keep. To get started with invoice factoring, you'll need to have clients that owe you money and an invoice factoring company. Once you find a company, you'll need to submit your invoices for factoring. The company will review your invoices and let you know how much they're willing to advance you. If you agree to the terms, the company will pay you a percentage of the invoice value up front, and then pay the rest when your customer pays the invoice. These are just a few of the many ways that you can get funded fast for your business. With little research, you can find the right funding option for your needs. Do you use any of these methods? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about small business financing, check out my video on small business loans. I'll see you there.